Hi everyone. First day of class is tomorrow, Monday, and I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to log onto your Google Meet, which is the video conferencing platform you're going to be using to meet with all of your teachers. All you're going to do to get into this classroom is you're going to go to your Google Classroom. You should have invites to all of your classes that hopefully you've accepted already, and you should see all of your classes listed. If you don't like the way that they're organized, just a heads up, you are able to reorganize them and click and drag them in whatever order that you would like, just to make it easier for yourself. But you're going to open up your 1A class period, open up that classroom. You don't need to go anywhere else. You don't need to go to classwork or people. You don't have grades because you're not a teacher. But you'll go to this Google Meet link. All you have to do is click this open, and this is where you're going to join your Google Meet, your video conference with your teacher. My camera failed here because I'm using it to make this video, so yours won't fail. But all you have to do is take a look over here. You should see probably your teacher, like me, maybe saying, Mr. Garcia is already here. That's great. All you'll have to do is make sure that you look fantastic. You'll see a little picture of yourself there. Make sure everything looks great. And then click Join Now, and you are going to be in the Meet. You won't see this because you're not a teacher, again, but then you'll see your name up here. You'll see your face. You'll hopefully see your teachers' faces, and we'll go from there. Once you are finished with this, your class will go on. Once your class is finished, you'll click the little end call or leave call button. You are finished with that class. Fantastic, looks great. And you guys will then go on to your next class. Your next class is going to be 2A. I don't have a 2A class. That's my prep period. So you'll go to your next class, in my case 3A, and you'll do the same thing. You'll click the link for that one. It'll open up the same way. Say ready to go and join. That's about all you'll need to know. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as I can, but considering this is Sunday, I may not get back right away, but should be pretty self-explanatory. Please check if you guys have checked mine already, check this bell schedule. You'll see this is your schedule. So Monday, tomorrow, you guys are going to have your A day classes, A1, 2, excuse me, 1A, 2A, 3A, you get the idea. And Tuesday is going to be B days. For Wednesday, you are going to have ACP. This is going to be your academic and career planning, your Zello stuff that we did last year. This first week, ACP is going to be a little different. You guys are going to have grade level meetings. Your teachers will tell you more about that, but don't worry about that. Wednesday, you will be having grade level meetings, though, at different times. Your teachers will explain that to you, hopefully, on the first day. Thursday, again, is going to be A days. Friday is going to be B days. If you would like to talk with your teachers or work with your teachers after school, say you're just having troubles with something that you're working on, you're able to email your teachers and say, hey, can you give me a little bit of, give me a hand? They will meet with you over Google Meet during this time. This is your time to talk with your teachers and get some help independently. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, we'll go over a lot of this on our first day back. Looking forward to see you guys all. Good luck.